What I'm going to start with here is we've cut our shoulders on the joint, leaving the tenon in the middle. I'm just going to join up our top mark to top mark to give me the what are known as the cheeks of the tenon. There and there. And I'm actually going to do a whip cut with a circular saw. Unless you're confident with a circular saw, this shouldn't really be attempted. You've got quite a small area for the saw to bear on. The other way to do this is with a hand saw, using it's got to be a rip saw as opposed to a cross-cut saw, and rip down the grain, which is a bit of hard work. It's quite nice to do, but when you're in a hurry, we'll use the power tool. Okay, so I'm going to be cutting down this line. I'll probably do a safety, well not safety, an initial cut to see what the saw's doing itself and see how close it's going to cut to my line, and then I'll do a final 2 cuts. So I've got to keep an eye on this line down here and this one here, just to make sure that I'm not plunging into the tenon. So, we've done the rip cuts. We've now just got to tidy the tenon up and clobber these extra bits off. If you notice, quite important, is that because we've cut the shoulders already, if I'd had the saw set to depth, the correct depth, this piece of wood and this piece of wood would have come loose. So I've left a ½ inch shy from the actual shoulder cut, so that these 2 pieces stay intact whilst I'm cutting. That keeps it safer than letting them flap around and do what they want. So now I've done that, I'm going to put it back up on the trestles. We'll get the chisel and the plane out and we'll tidy up the tenon.